Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Blade A54 and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll to find password and security. Then let's scroll down and tap on more security settings and tap on encryption and credentials. And as you can see, almost at the very bottom of the list, we've got the option we're looking for, so let's simply tap on Clear Credentials and confirm it with OK. We will also have to confirm it with the pattern PIN or password. And as you can see, not only we've got this information, but also this option is inactive, which means that we just successfully removed all certificates. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.